Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove both blue and green screen on CapCut PC. So to do that, you are just going to select a video with both blue and green screen. This is just an example. I know this isn't like a blue screen, but just bear with me on that. So go to chroma key and cut out. I'm just going to select the green first. I'm also going to just adjust the strength here, not until 100%. Until just the green part is gone. Then if you want to remove the blue, let's just add in a background real quick so you can see. So then I want to also remove this blue background. So I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, and then I can go back to cutout and then select chroma key and select another color to choose. And now that's kind of removed, and now you have this effect. Let me just select another background for the clock. I know it's not perfect, but it's because it's not a really good like blue screen, that's why, but I'm just showing you guys how you can do it. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!